Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today not usual video. In this video I'll show you how to make miniature molecule COVID-19. I made it for fun and I need your support. Give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. Also leave your comments and let's start.
Take polymer clay. Need to take black clay, but I haven't black clay, so I took blue clay. And then I will paint with acrylic paint. Take hot sandpaper and make a texture. Color it with paint and use sponge. Need to wait until the paint will be dry, and in the meantime we are doing other details. Add beads. Cut off wire. Insert in the bowl and insert these details. Bake in oven. After baking, I fixing all with super glue. And add these yellow beads. That's all. Please write your opinion in comments and see you soon. Bye!